Commercial pays very well, but it takes a long time to get it. Whereas residential doesn't pay quite as well. Like our bulk profit isn't as big because the projects are smaller, but they're paying like, it's like our cash flow is faster. So we charge 50% deposit up front, and then we charge the rest on the day that we finish. So there's no time. Like we literally get paid before the project starts, we do the project, and on that same day we get paid.
Yeah.
So we're not waiting for payment ever in residential.
Yeah, with bigger projects, you're always waiting for the draw to come.
And you're also at the mercy of like what has to happen before you.
Yeah.